pteryline or dacron. Monomers of pteryline or dacron. Monomers, dialcohol and dicarboxylic acid. Dialcohol and dicarboxylic acid. Okay, that is monomers. Monomers of dacron or pteryline. Monomers which contain carboxylic acid and alcohol. Okay, this carboxylic acid and alcohol react together form ester linkage. So we learned before alcohol and carboxylic acid react together form ester in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. Concentrated sulfuric acid helps to remove water molecule. Similarly here, pteryline or dacron which contain monomers with carboxylic acid and alcohol. Carboxylic acid and alcohol react together form ester by eliminating water molecule. Carboxylic acid and alcohol react together form ester by eliminating water molecule. So here ester, pteryline or dacron which contain ester functional group, ester linkage. Before we learned nylon which contain amide linkage. So such type of polymers are called polyamide. Now nylon or pteryline or dacron which contain ester linkage. So such type of polymers are called polyester. Okay, polymer which contain ester linkage, it is polyester. See here example. See here we are talking about pteryline or dacron. So pteryline or dacron which the monomers which contain two different functional group, carboxylic acid and alcohol. You remember this is the carboxylic acid functional group and this is alcohol functional group. Okay, so these are the structures of monomers of pteryline or dacron. These are the structure. Okay, so here see this structure. There is carboxylic acid, C double bond OOH. Here also carbon double bond oxygen single bond OH. So this compound which contain carbon double bond oxygen single bond OH. Okay, COOH. So there is two COOH. That's why we will say it is dicarboxylic acid. Dicarboxylic acid. And this is one ring structure. This type of ring. Name of this ring benzene. Okay, look here you can give number. This is first carbon 2 3 4. So in first carbon and fourth carbon there is C double bond OH. So name of this compound is benzene 1,4 dicarboxylic acid. Benzene 1,4 dicarboxylic acid. This structure is benzene. First carbon and fourth carbon there is carboxylic acid. 2 carboxylic acid. That's why dicarboxylic acid. Okay, first and fourth position 1,4 dicarboxylic acid. Benzene 1,4 dicarboxylic acid. And this is first monomer and this is second monomer. There is two monomers for pteryline or dacron. Okay, this is first monomer and this is second monomer. And here look here, this molecule which contain OH. Okay, so here 2 carbon. So you can say ethane first and second carbon, ethane 1,2 diol. Here OH, you know, alcohol, or okay, so alcohol, name of alcohol end with OL. Name of carboxylic acid end with oic acid. Okay, so here two OH, that's why we will say here diol. Okay, and first carbon, second carbon, that's why 1,2 diol. And here 2 carbon, that's why ethane 1,2 diol. Simply you can say what are the monomers of pteryline or dacron? dicarboxylic acid and dialcohol. Simply you can say here what are the monomers of pterylene or dacron? Dicarboxylic acid, dialcohol or diol. These are the monomers. Okay, and see here this monomer we can draw like this. In previous case we use CH2 6 times, we use a box. Similarly here this part we can include in a box, then C double bond OH, C double bond OH. Okay, each side there is carbon double bond oxygen single bond OH. Rest of the part we included in a box. Clear? Similarly this one here OH, CH2, these two carbon we can include in a box, then OH, each side OH. Clear? So here looking this one, you can say the monomer is dicarboxylic acid and dialcohol. So these are the monomers of pterylene or dacron. Okay, next one we have to understand here how they react, how these monomers react. We know already formation of ester. During formation of ester, from carboxylic acid OH will be removed. During formation of ester, carboxylic acid OH will be removed, and from alcohol hydrogen will be removed. Okay, this OH and hydrogen combine to form water molecule, and water molecule will be side product. During formation of nylon, HCl is side product. During formation of pterylene or dacron, water is side product. Clear? So look here, after removing this OH and hydrogen, what is left here? This box here, and here same thing I did here, carbon double bond oxygen OH. Okay, and here this is carbon double bond oxygen, and here in this part hydrogen removed. So still here oxygen bonded to this box, and here OH. Clear? And see here these two different molecules joined over here, So this type of bond is called ester linkage. This is ester linkage. In previous case, in case of nylon, we learned amide linkage. In case of nylon, we learned amide linkage, and here we have to understand here ester linkage. Okay, so this type of polymer which contain ester linkage, we will say polyester, because this type of ester which contain many ester linkage, that's why we will say polyester. Poly mean many, polyester. Okay, and see here this is polyester, or this is the pterylene. Okay, pterylene or dacron, this is polyester because it contains ester linkage, and this is pterylene or dacron. So here we did only 2 units. Here this one monomer, this is another monomer, they react together form, this is the macromolecule. Okay, and here 2 units. But actual polymer which contain many unlimited molecules. So this is the structure for pterylene or dacron. This is only simply 2 units, but actual polymer it contains many units. This unit will continue over here, and another unit will continue over here. So this is unlimited structure. So look here, here another, in this end another unit joining. So here this OH will be removed. Okay, imagine another unit coming over here. So from this part hydrogen will be removed. So look here, same thing I did here, one box here, carbon double bond oxygen, carbon double bond oxygen. Okay, then this box over here, oxygen. Okay, so same thing will repeat. So this is carboxylic acid, and this is alcohol. Again this is carboxylic acid, this is alcohol. From carboxylic acid OH will be removed. From carboxylic acid OH will be removed. From alcohol hydrogen will be removed, and rest of the part will add. Okay, repeated molecule will be added together. Okay, and here many water molecule will be removed. Clear? So this is the formation of pterylene or Dacron. So here we discussed monomers of pterylene or Dacron. Monomers of pterylene or Dacron mean this is the one monomer. Okay, it is benzene 1,4-dicarboxylic acid. Okay, here 2COOH, here first and fourth carbon there is carboxylic acid, and this ring structure called benzene. So name of this compound is benzene 1,4-dicarboxylic acid. And here this is ethane 1,2-diol. Here 2 carbon, and first and second position there is oil. Okay, OH functional group. That's why ethane 1,2-diol. Ethane 1,2-diol. And we can represent this molecules like this. Here box COOH and here box OH. Okay, here carboxylic acid and alcohol functional group react together and water molecule will be removed, and this is the ester linkage. Polymer which contain ester linkage called polyester. Okay, and here many units join to form this type of structure. Okay, so remember, many units join together mean this OH and OH will be removed, and from here hydrogen and hydrogen will be removed. Rest of the part will add together and it will be pterylene or Dacron. Clear? Next one, we have to understand here uses of pterylene. Different uses of pterylene. So this is pterylene. Here pterylene used to make cloths, polyester thread. Okay, there are many uses here. These are some uses of pterylene. It used to make cloths, also polyester thread. Okay, and in previous case we discussed nylon. Okay, nylon, different uses of nylon. Nylon used to make fishing net, nylon thread. Also it used to make car seat belt, also used to make carpets. Okay, so here different uses of nylon, used to make thread, fishing net, car seat belt and carpets. Okay, next one we have to discuss here some properties of polymers. Actually synthetic polymers are plastic. And most of the plastics are